Hello students, in the previous video I described about how we can prepare salts, various methods, 5 methods were discussed. Now in this video we are going to see how to solve questions on this. Number of questions can be asked on preparation of salts, how you can solve questions on this, that's what we are going to see here. So please keep watching. Solving questions on preparation of salt. Okay, various questions are asked. Now the first type of question that is usually asked is write balanced equations for the preparation of the following substances in the laboratory. Choose substances from the given list. A list is given. You have to choose substances from this list and then prepare the salt. Write equations. Okay. So what we do with this? First go through the list. What are the things given here? Magnesium is given, iron, sodium metal, copper, lead, zinc, sodium carbonate solution, dilute nitric acid, dilute hydrochloric acid, lead hydroxide, dilute sulfuric acid, copper 2 oxide, zinc carbonate, chlorine is also given, chlorine gas, right? Now the first step is to identify the salt as a soluble salt or insoluble salt in water. This is the first thing. The next step is to identify the suitable method for its preparation. Okay, so let's see the list of salts that are asked in the question. This is only description. Now what is to be prepared? The first salt required is sodium sulfate. We have to prepare sodium sulfate. What kind of salt is sodium sulfate? That is what first we have to see. Na2SO4. It is a highly soluble salt. Highly soluble salts are prepared by method 1, which is called titration. Titration involves neutralization. Neutralization means acid plus base gives salt plus water. So the acid required is H2SO4 for sulfate ion. For sodium, the base or alkali is NaOH, or you can take Na2CO3. So these are the options available. Now go to the question. See the list. What all things are available out of this in the list? So what is available here in the list? Check the list. Sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is not there in the list. We have sodium carbonate solution. So you can take that for the left hand side. Yes, for this sodium carbonate solution is available. Sulfuric acid dilute. It is there, dilute sulfuric. Okay, so you can prepare the salt now. So what you will use? You will use, so this is not there. Sodium hydroxide is not there. You have sodium carbonate and dilute sulfuric acid. Write the equation. Na2CO3, which is aqueous solution. This is a base as we have already seen, plus H2SO4, sulfuric acid. You get salt plus water. Na2SO4 salt plus water plus carbon dioxide because it is a carbonate. Done. Question part 1 is done. 1 mark. Right? Now second part is lead sulfate. What is lead sulfate? Lead sulfate is insoluble salt. What method is used for insoluble salt? Precipitation. Precipitation के लिए what do you require? PbSO4. So the right side you need H2SO4, dilute sulfuric acid, or Na2SO4 solution. For left side you need lead nitrate, PbNO3 whole twice. Okay, let's check the list now. What substance is available? Lead nitrate is there or not? Lead is there. Dilute nitric acid is available. Okay, and dilute hydrochloric is available. Lead hydroxide is available. Dilute sulfuric acid, copper 2 oxide, zinc carbonate solution. No, we don't have lead nitrate. So what we can do is prepare it in 2 steps. So step 1 is substance plus dilute nitric acid. This is step 1. So what is this compound given here is lead hydroxide. So lead hydroxide, PbOH whole twice plus nitric acid, HNO3. 2HNO3 gives PbNO3 whole twice plus 2H2O. So you got lead nitrate. Now you can use this method, lead nitrate. The next step, step 2. So this is step 1. Now step 2, we have lead nitrate solution and we have dilute sulfuric acid. Okay, H2SO4. So this is a double decomposition reaction. This is AQ. and this is AQ, will give insoluble exchange of radical, insoluble salt PbSO4 precipitate plus what you have is 2HNO3, which is AQ. So you got it. So since lead nitrate is not available, we use step 1 to convert the given lead hydroxide to lead nitrate. So lead salt is prepared in 2 steps. I think you got it. Now let's take zinc sulfate. The next salt is zinc sulfate, ZnSO4. Zinc sulfate is a soluble salt. What are the methods available? This side we need H2SO4. Yes. And this side we can take metal, metal oxide, metal hydroxide and metal carbonate. 4 options are available. It's a soluble salt. Method 2 is use metal plus acid, metal oxide plus acid, metal hydroxide plus acid, metal carbonate plus acid. Now let's check in the list what is available. In the list we have dilute sulfuric acid available. On the left side for zinc we have, yes, zinc metal is available. We have anything else? Zinc carbonate is also available. So we have 2 methods that can be used here. 2 things can be done. Zinc oxide is not there, hydroxide is not there. So we have 2 answers possible. One is zinc plus dilute sulfuric acid, metal plus acid giving zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. This is one possibility. Or we have another alternate answer, that is zinc carbonate, ZnCO3 plus H2SO4, dilute H2SO4. Here you get zinc sulfate plus H2O plus CO2. Second option possible, right? Now the third option, no, there is no third option, only 2 options, right? The next salt we have is MgSO4, magnesium sulfate. Here again we have H2SO4 this side, and this side we have metal, metal oxide, metal hydroxide and metal carbonate. 4 options this side. Now we need to check the substance in the list, what is available in the list. Yes, magnesium is available. Any other thing? No, dilute sulfuric is available. So only metal plus acid is available to us. So we have these, we don't have. We have only magnesium plus dilute sulfuric acid, Mg plus H2SO4. Okay. So you have MgSO4 plus H2. Okay. So the method has to be decided first and then go and choose the substance. Now copper 2 sulfate, CuSO4. What are the options available? This side is H2SO4. This side we have metal oxide, metal hydroxide and metal carbonate. 3 options possible. Metal plus acid is not available for this. Now let us look into the list what is available. Copper metal is not possible, we know. Copper 2 oxide is available, so we can take that. So we have the second option, Cu, copper 2 oxide, yes. So the first option, CuO, not CuOH whole twice. So CuO plus H2SO4. Here we have CuSO4 plus H2O. So that is done, right? Now iron 2 sulfate, FeSO4. Iron 2 sulfate, the usual method is only metal plus acid, H2, Fe and H2SO4. In the list, let us check. In the list we have, yes, iron is there, dilute sulfuric acid is there. So we can straight away write Fe plus H2SO4 will give FeSO4 plus H2. Okay. Now we have iron 3 chloride. We have already seen iron 3 chloride, FeCl3 is a salt prepared by direct combination. The method used is direct combination. No other method is used for this. For that we require Fe and chlorine. Iron as well as chlorine, both are required. Let's check the list. Iron is here and we have chlorine also here. Yes, so both are available. So we have Fe plus Cl2 giving FeCl3 directly on heating. So 2Fe and 3Cl2, 2FeCl3 balanced. That's all done. So what do you understand? The first thing to do when salts are given, first step is to identify the salt whether it is soluble or not. Secondly, the suitable method for this. And then what you will do, you will look for the substances in the given list. And then you will make a suitable choice. And after that, you can write the equation. So students, I hope you understood how we can answer questions based on preparation of salts. When a list of substances is given, what is to be done first and how we'll arrange them and find equations or choose the substances. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and this sequence of topic under acid bases salts is over. The next topic I will come with analytical chemistry, questions on practical chemistry, how we can answer testing of ions and all. So subscribe, and so that you will get notification and continue watching. Thank you.